Jadda's Craft Cottage. Today we're going to make these cute little angels made out of pasta. So let's get started. For these cute little angels, you'll need some bow tie pasta, some rigatoni, elbow macaroni, some orzo pasta, and some wooden beads, about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. You'll also need a hot glue gun, some large paper clip, some markers, either fine Sharpie or fine acrylic marker, some painter's tape, some white acrylic paint, and 1 inch by 1/2 inch little cardstock pieces. The first thing we're going to do is cover the whole of the beads. You only need to cover one. I'm going to do several of these. You're going to lay out the bow ties. Try to make sure that all the bow ties are nice and clean without any chips in it. We're now going to hot glue the rigatoni onto the bow ties. You'll now glue on the bead. Place the bead so that the painter's tape is up. The hot glue will make the pasta adhere to each other easily. We're now going to glue around the bead area for the hair. I'm going to put some glue all over this. And then I'm going to dip it into the orzo. Now with the elbow macaroni, we're going to put the arms on. Now we're going to take another piece of the macaroni and we're going to put it as a hook for the top. Before we go on to dipping the angels, we want to clean up some of the hairy pieces of this glue. You want to clean up as much as you can and make sure there aren't any pieces that are falling off. Now you're going to open up these paper clips and we're going to make a hook out of it. I'm going to put one side into the macaroni that was up here, and I'm going to dip it into my acrylic paint. Try to get all the pieces around. And then I'm going to put it on a clothesline. These will take about 24 hours to dry, but you want to make sure that you take a paper towel and get all the little bumps that are on the bottom, the little drops. Now that the angels are all dry, we're going to do the decorating. So I'm going to put some eyes on here, and I'm just using Sharpies. I'll put a mouth, and some eyebrows. You can use these chenille stems or pipe cleaners and stick it through the macaroni top and make your hook. I'm now going to make some songbooks for these angels. I'm taking that 1/2 inch by 1 inch cardstock, folding it in half, and I'm going to put some musical notes on it. And I'm going to glue it right to their arms. Now you have a nice little choir of little angels to put on your tree. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.